it's Lisa. No stock trading today, but we're making peanut butter cookies. So, we're taking our brown sugar and our creamy peanut butter along with our plant milk, and we're going to cream this all together. Just, you could use really any kind of plant milk, as long as it's not milk, cow's milk. Okay, now we're going to take our oats. I use quick oats, our baking soda, and our vanilla. We're going to cream that all in. Make it like a sticky kind of pasty type of dough. Then when you're done, you're going to get out your baking sheet, hopefully lined with wax paper. And you're going to roll them into balls. Now, I like my cookies a little small. So this is pretty much the size that you see. But if you like them bigger, you can make bigger balls, bigger cookies. And after you're done, you're going to get your fork and you're going to make the crisscross, the signature crisscross for peanut butter cookies. Preheat your oven at 356 degrees or 180 degrees Celsius and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. I like my cookies a little soft and chewy, so it's 10 minutes. If you like them just chewy, 11 minutes. You like them crispy, 12 minutes. Enjoy.